Because I always feel like running. Not away, because there's no such place. Because if there was, I would have found it by now. Because it's easier to run, easier than staying and finding out you're the only one who didn't run.
Yeah, we're all running. We're all running. We're all running. Running from the truth that you don't wanna see. Yeah, we're all running. We're all running. We're all running. Running from the truth that you don't wanna see. Yeah, what are y'all really running from? Headphones, eyes closed, dreams be your medicine. Run from reality, breathe. Come back again, back to the nightmare God has done stuck you in. See, where the hell are y'all running from? The bottles of E gonna take me to heaven, and essence of weed get you higher than you ever been. I guess reality's not a place you wanna be, and everything you seeing in life just ain't sunny when so many different people arrive with more money when your dad got no more love for your mummy. Is this the reason why y'all still running when a big ass house got no doors to come in and your friends all fake and two-faced? And we gonna feel so high, but now you start stumbling. Nothing y'all can do but start running, yeah. I guess wealth ain't really in rich kids, and home ain't necessarily found in big cribs. And yeah, don't the world feel lonely when the money and the fame's only thing that you live with? Guess, yeah, this is all for the misfits, rebels with no cause that breathe and resistant, girls that lost their religion and ran. I guess we all should run together to a distance. Yeah, we're all running. We're all running. We're all running. Running from the truth that you don't wanna see. Yeah, we're all running. We're all running. We're all running. Running from the truth that you don't wanna see. Yeah, a generation that talks on BlackBerry cause they moms never took the time to just talk. Running out the world, escape from their reality. The handheld gadgets that drives them to insanity. Come to the town of dirty paper with their hands under tables, dust on the stapler. Land of the lost kids who lost dreams, who got sold off to rich man at 14. Yeah, it's been nights full of screens for the misfit kids to the unlucky teens. Yeah, scar marks covered by jeans and black hearts darkened by fiends. It's been peer pressure, they minds out of their heads to open up their legs and go straight in the bed. See, where the hell do we go now? When the only place you can go is go down. Yeah, so we run, and we run till this place gets small. And we run, and we run, and we run till we don't see nothing at all. Yeah, we're all running. We're all running. We're all running. Running from the truth that you don't wanna see. Yeah, we're all running. We're all running. We're all running. Running from the truth that you don't